Okay, my newsletter is on information processing theory and theory of multiple intelligence. First, I am talking about information processing theory, which psychology sees individuals as a processor of information. Therefore, they believe the human mind is much like a computer. Computers being made gave psychologists, cognitive psychologists actually, a metaphor to compare human minds to. Computers code and decode much like the mind. They store information just like our minds. They process information just like our mind. And they use these processes to create outputs, much like the human mind. Information processing consists of a series of stages: input processing, storage processing, and output processing. I put a picture next to this to show of a computer to show that they kind of reference our minds to computers. Some assumptions that were mentioned is information that is made available from the environment is processed by a series of processing systems. The processing systems alter the information in systematic ways. The reason for research is to specify structures that underlie cognitive performances, and in humans, information processing resembles that of computers, which I put a picture of our mind because it's just kind of processing everything, just like information processing theory does. Next, I'm talking about theory of multiple intelligences, which document that humans have different intellectual strengths, how we learn, how we represent things in our mind, and how we use this to show what we have already learned. Everyone learns and thinks differently. They used to think that everyone kind of thought the same way, that we could only learn if we read it in a textbook, if we heard a lecture on it, and this is the only way we were able to understand it. And the way to see if we understood it or not is through either an essay or a test or any kind of assessment that a teacher might give. Some important information about theory of multiple intelligence is that to learn to think scientifically, how to draw up a hypothesis and to test it out, study it, and observe what is changing. And that's when it comes to like studying about science. Instead of learning every type of science there is out there, this is the basic importance of what you need to do. See it, try it, be coached, compared to see if you're understanding and not, compared to other students, to other learners, all of that. Teachers need to provide feedback so students know what they are doing well and what they're not doing well on. Teachers should also be believers that the child needs to be the center of learning. There's also 8 multiple intelligence: linguistics, logical, mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily, kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. And that's my newsletter.